Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Pigeon. Well, just wanted to give you guys an update on my avocado trees. And if you see up here, this is my Catalina. It basically lost just about all its leaves. So we got a few left there, but they're pretty much going to be gone too. Look at all the flowers. It's just full of flowers everywhere. It's not a spot. It doesn't have flowers, pouches of flowers everywhere. But it lost all the leaves. Now, here we have the Catalina. That was the Catalina. This is the Lula. Now, interesting. I pruned it back a couple months ago, the whole top, and I had pruned it before earlier in the year as well. And so I wanted it to lower the canopy, and you can see it has a lot of growth on the bottom here that it's coming out with. But very interesting is the fact that it's flowering. Look at them right there. And right there. See? All over the place too. So this one's flowering too, even though I really pruned it back severely, which I wasn't expecting it to flower. You know, this early, right after pruning. So I guess it could be a good year this year for avocados and mangoes. Now this is my Choquette, which is also flowering everywhere. Hasn't lost its leaves, a few, but not. But if you can tell, it's flowering everywhere as well. And this is one that I've had there for a while, but I had not planted. This is Negro, which is, I haven't really tasted it too much, but it's a really good one. For some people, this is the best one, which I usually put Simmons as my favorite. So we'll see. Once I eat a few more from this tree, then I'll see how I rate them. But anyway, it's in the ground here. And then this is a type B, by the way. All my other ones are type A. The Choquette, Catalina, Lula, and the Simmons I have on the other side that I'll show you now. They're all type A's. And then this is a type B. So that'll help with cross-pollination between them. Now this one, I don't know. It's got a little bloom on the top there. That'd be interesting if this one flowers too. I'm not expecting it, but we'll see. And then on the other side here, let me show you this from afar. This is a neighbor's tree, and if you can tell, that tree is loaded with flowers. I mean, you can't. All you see are flowers when you look at the tree over there. It's beautiful. I mean, that should have a lot of avocados for this year. And the other little smaller tree there, the other smaller avocado there, that one's flowering too. At least in this area, man, I don't remember the last time it flowered this much, where they're covered everywhere. I mean, everywhere you look, all the avocado trees are really flowering really well. And now let me take you to my Simmons. And here's the Simmons, full of flowers everywhere as well. Got flowers everywhere. In fact, I see a little bee up there, which is a good sign. You want to see those bees and butterflies and all that going around the tree, pollinating. But you can tell I had pruned it back last year, and I just kind of let it grow this year, and it's gotten pretty big. Now, see, I have the carport right there, so I kind of let it grow on the top, and then I let it develop the canopy on the top so it can get sun. You have to work. I'm going to make a video on all the techniques in the near future on high density, planting, in your house, because you have to kind of get creative in your house if you want to have more fruit trees. You're going to have to use different techniques to make it work for you. So I'll go over some of the things that I do, which have been pretty successful for me. Anyway, back to the avocados. It looks like it's going to be a good year. It's got at least we got a lot of flowers. Now if they set a lot of fruit, hopefully we'll be eating a lot of avocados. And if you have different varieties, then you can eat a good portion of the year. Probably 8 months out of the year that you can eat avocados from your trees. Just have to be smart on the varieties you select. These are the ones I have. Like I said, I have Oro Negro, and I also have the Simmons, my favorite, which is this one right here. And I also have the Choquette, the Lula, and the Catalina. So those, give me fruit for pretty much a good portion of the year. Anyway, just wanted to give you an update on all this flowering on the avocados and how they're doing. So looking forward to a fruitful year. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.